Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Kishu Inu, and as you can check here, it's on some decentralized exchanges, and as you can see here, Uniswap, and you already know the gas fees are super high on Ethereum network, so we'll be using Gate.io. If you don't have an account, just you'll find the link in the description, create an account, and it's super easy, same as Binance and KuCoin. It's pretty similar to those other platforms. And then after you created your account, just go to wallet and deposit, because of course we need crypto so we can buy Kishu Inu. All right, so I would prefer you deposit USDT because it's the only way you can buy Kishu Inu on the platform, buy USDT to Kishu Inu, or vice versa when you're trying to sell. But you can also deposit any cryptocurrency that you want, and as you can see here, you can click whatever cryptocurrency that you want and then copy the address and post it on wherever you want to withdraw your crypto to here and deposit to here. All right, now that you've got the cryptocurrency or the stable coin, which is USDT, go to trade and spot trading. So if you deposited any other currency than a stable coin, just type it in here. For example, let's say dot, and go to to USDT. So you can sell that cryptocurrency that you've deposited to USDT by just putting it in here. You'll find it in your balance and put it in here, and you'll get to see how many USDT you'll be getting for it and sell it. All right, and then go back and type in Kishu, and as you can see here, here it is. You can buy or sell Kishu with USDT. So now that we are here, so USDT that you got, you'll be finding it in here. You can just click on my balance and you'll see it here, or choose the amount that you want to spend or buy with the cryptocurrency, and then you'll see the total balance and you can buy. Okay, so here is if you want to bargain. So if you want to buy with a lower price than the current market price, you can click one of these and it will get into here automatically, as you can see, whatever you click here. But make sure you're choosing a reasonable price that the market is heading towards, and the same goes for selling. You would like to get a higher price market than this one here, and again choose a reasonable price so you can sell and your order doesn't stuck here and you need to cancel and put in another order to sell or buy. Okay, so this is it. I hope you like this explanation here. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this, and thank you for watching.